Hi everyone, this is Chris from the Haver Berry Farm. This is a berry lawn cleaner that we got from Acadian Machine Works in PEI, and this is designed for high bush blueberries. But we decided to give it a whirl with our Haskap berries because our Haskap berries, the varieties that we're currently growing, they do roll, and this machine needs the berries roll. So far, we've been really pleased with it. So what we do is we load the berries in here, in this hopper, and then the berries fall down in here. And there's a blower, and it blows the leaves and any small debris through this chute here. This is designed mainly to be blowing straight out into open air, but we just put a garbage bag on the end of it with some holes in it just to kind of keep things down. You can see the berries drop here. You can see the odd leaf will fall as well. If the berries are too small, which is usually the ones we don't want anyway, you can see that they drop down between the gap on those bars, and you keep the bigger ones. And on this cross belt, if we have a berry that's ruptured or broken, it will roll and it will go off the end. And those are ones we don't want either. So then the berries will make it to this conveyor belt, and then you can see our workers are just picking out the green ones, or the odd leaf will make it into that area. And as we come around, you can see they get dropped into this bin here. And once we get the bin about too high, then we freeze them in that bin. Or we can actually take these for fresh if we want to. As you can see, their berries are looking in really good shape. Nice sized. No debris. And these were just harvested this morning. We do cool them down before we run them through this harvester, and we do this berry lawn cleaner, and we do pause between each tray of berries just to give a real quick wipe down. As you can see, when it gets a little bit of juice in there, the berries will start to stick a little bit. But a quick wipe down with some paper towel, and it's good to go. But this is a berry lawn cleaner designed for small operations such as ours. We harvest our berries with the semi-mechanical method. We shake them when they drop down, and this is how we are cleaning them. This is very quick, very efficient. One person can run this cleaner system if you want to. Super easy.